Hey everyone, it's Saturday Slaburday and we have this freaking massive walnut log here to cut up. And what we're gonna actually do, this log is so big, it's too big for our sawmill to just do straight slabs. The customer wants it book matched, so we're actually gonna cut one side straight, then cut some 2.5-inch slabs. First thing I need to do though is cut it to length. We're gonna make them 9 foot, which will cut about right here. And the reason is that's the best chunk of the wood to make table slabs from. So big, I really had to clean up the little gnarly parts that were poking out. That chunk was too much. Chop it off. It's gonna be really hard to fit on this mill, but I think I can make it happen. So we're gonna get it done with the Timber King. And I might actually have to cut some on with the chainsaw, but so we have our new Timber King ordered, a Timber King 6000 wide cut mill. We don't get it now till next year because it keeps getting postponed because of not being able to get stuff. No one can make anything, but hey, Timber King, we really need that big sawmill. These logs are too much for this 2000, so but I think I'm gonna make it work. So this is the side I want to leave for our live edge. It's the best side of the log. So this is going to be the bottom, this is going to be top. The other side, opposite of here, is going to be straight cut to make a book match. This is barely going to fit, so I'm going to kind of whittle it down right now. I'm going to skim off the top, I'm going to rotate it, skim off the bottom, rotate it, skim off the other side, and then get it finally back into this position to actually get our slabs out of it. It's still going to be a very tight fit. The current blade on here is $2. I was gonna try to make a few cuts with it, but I can already see it moving, so I'm just gonna switch the blade out with a sharp one right away. Hey, we actually got the lid snap fixed this time. Hey, look at that. I wasn't thinking. I should have had the sawmill retracted. I can't lift it high enough to, so I'm gonna quick pick it off with the forks. I got all 3 sides cut. Normally, you're gonna put your square side against my fence on the back side, but what I do here is I'm actually gonna have my square side to my cut side. And it makes your band blades last a lot longer. The bandsaw pulls the blade this way. The more bark you cut through, the quicker your blades dull. So since it'll fit like this, I'll prefer to cut on this side because it's more clean with less bark.
This is just a river table.
Oh,
Yeah.
yup. The whole thing.
Yeah, I didn't have any confidence that thing was coming off. I was like, hey, it just made it easier for me.
Yep. As soon as I saw, I said, oh, we're not gonna get that one off smooth. That one's gonna split.
Wrapped up this massive walnut log. I mean, it's a little bit of a disappointment. A lot more rotten than I expected, but this was a customer's log. He brought it by from his farm. It fell down. Clearly, there's a reason why it blew down there in a storm. It was dead. But we're gonna sticker it, dry it. We'll let it air dry for a while at our log yard and kiln dry for him. And you know what? Well, not a little bit, but a lot of bit of rustic lumber epoxy. These are still gonna make some really nice table slabs, so it's gonna be great. All right, guys, well, if you need any sawmill services, kiln drying, epoxy, all that good stuff, we have it here at Rustic Lumber Store.